It does not mean that if you're competent, you are confident. And it also does not mean that if you're confident, you are competent. Pero, there is a relationship between competence and confidence. The more competent you are, if you choose, you can become more confident. Kasi pwede niyang i-fuel yung kada isa. Pag mas confident ka, and gusto mo talaga makatulong ng ibang tao, you will have the desire to be more competent. Halimbawa, sa case ko, ay nahanap ko na yung confidence. Pero nakita ko na meron akong responsibility na kailangan tama yung tinuturo ko. Sayang yung confidence kung mali ang tinuturo, di ba? So dahil I found my confidence, kailangan mag-aral pa ako ulit. Yung ibang sinishare ko sa inyo dun sa VUL and sa Heart of Life Insurance, natutunan ko na after 12 years. Mula 2009, habang nagtatagal, enroll pa rin ako ng enroll sa different courses and nag-aaral pa rin ako tuloy-tuloy. Why? Kasi sabi ko, sayang naman din yung na-build kong confidence kung hindi rin ako nag-increase in competence. So that is the relationship between competence and confidence. It is a choice. Again, hindi ibig sabihin if you are competent, you will become confident. And it also does not mean that if you're confident, you will become competent. Pero you can choose to use each one to fuel for you to be more competent and to be more confident.